Hi all, today we'll discuss system design key concept. So what all are the system design key concept while we develop a system design? So either high level or low level, we need to concentrate about this database first. So this database will be the system design part, key concept, and other is the load balances which have to understand. Then we have a storage, so where we will store so object storage, either S3 buckets or anything, and then messaging queue, either Kafka, RabbitMQ and all. Then microservice based pattern, and the caches, either Redis caches or anything. And then we have a scalability and system processing. So while we work on the system design, so these are the most key concept will be there which we need to follow or understand about this. So if you'll see here, so these all are the system design key concept: scalability, latency, throughput, and then cap theorem, acid transactions, consistency, hashing, consistent hashing, rate limiting, API design, and then a strong versus consistency, asynchronous communication, and then REST, RPC, so batch processing, fault tolerance, then consensus algorithm, gossip protocol, service discovery, disaster recovery, distributed tracing. So these trade-off and all. So if we are going for the tracings, then we have to click on this one. uh, so we have a tracing details will be there inside that. So what is distributed tracings and why we will important to use in this system design and all. So like that we have a multiple parties there. So all the links as given here I seen in this LinkedIn portal where we seen system design core key concept. So if you'll go for this any of the part like cap theorem, acid transactions, rate limitings and all, so how to use and why we are using, so these all are the details which will be mentioned here. Coming for the system design building block, so in this while we go for the system design building block, then we have a horizontal scaling, vertical scaling, database, then CDN, DNS, cache, or distributed caches, load balancers, NoSQL, SQL, database index, heartbeat, circuit breaker, idempotency, data scaling, data replications, data redundancy, data sorting, failover, proxy, message queue, or WebSocket and Bloom filters, API, distributed checksum. So these things we have a system design building block. If you want to go for that, then we have a link. Just click on that link, and then you will understand about this all those blocks like a circuit breaker patterns or anything in the microservices followed. Why we are using. So these all are the part of system design building block. Coming for the next, we have some architecture patterns. While we design our system design of high level, low level, then we some patterns which need to be followed. So these all are the architectures patterns like a client server architecture, microservice microservices based architecture, serverless architecture, event driven architectures, and P2P like peer to peer architecture. So if you click open this client server architectures, what is that and how we will create this client server architecture. So this is the overview. Just open and view this client server. If you are going for the microservice pattern architectures, just you click on this patterns and just you see here why we and how we can use a microservice based architectures while we are designing system design and all. Then if you are going for the serverless architectures, then what is the serverless architectures, how we will create the serverless architectures. So this is the overview for the serverless architectures documentations. So all are the important documents which is attached here. If you are going for this event driven or P2P, just click and see. So these all are the things are there while we are using event driven or peer to peer. Okay, so here if you'll go for this, so this is the very important document which I have seen in LinkedIn related for the design. So if you go for this, then we have a multiple core concepts, key concepts are there, multiple building block related topics links are there, and then system design related patterns also mentioned there. So just follow that and understand about the system design while we go for the system design, how we will create, what all are the key concept we will create, either depends on any level of system design. Yeah, That's it. Thank you.